Hello everyone, this video will show you how to calculate mutual funds on Excel, and you can also learn some Excel shortcuts and tricks. Have you ever wondered how mutual funds give 20% return in 1 year, 25% in 2 years, 30% in 5 years? But what is the 1 year return when you are getting 30% in 5 years? So this is the thing which we are going to learn today. With the help of Excel, we'll take a practical example and then we'll see how to calculate your returns on mutual funds on a long-term basis. So now I have logged into a website called morningstar.in, and here we'll go in mutual funds. I'll select a random mutual fund and we'll calculate that return, the return on that investment. So I'm going in gold. There are 7 funds. I'll just select a random first one. The category is small and mid cap. Go in performance and let's see how this particular mutual fund has performed in last few years. As you can see the chart here, it is growing, and I'll just take 5 years, so 2012, 13, 14, 15 and 16. I'll copy this down. So here you can see 2012 return is 39.62%. So I'll just copy this down, and now we'll go to Excel and calculate the returns. Now I will just paste the data here, and as you can see there is an error, so I'll just arrange the data properly. We know that 2012 it was 39.62, so now we don't need this data, so I'll just remove this and I'll remove this. Now I'll copy this data, come here, press right click, paste special and transpose. So now I get a proper data. I'll remove this, I don't need this, and I'll go here, select format painter, and and as we know that the minimum investment is 5,000, so I'll write down 5,000 here. Now let's just calculate the yearly returns, how much we get. So for that I'll select 5,000, multiply it by the returns, divide by 100, so which comes to around 1981. I'll add this up to 5,000, so it comes to 6981. So I'll do this for the whole 5 years. I'll press Ctrl D. As you can see, after 5 years the amount will be 15,928, which is approximately 3 times of the investment amount, and percentage wise it is 318%. And even if I remove the 5,000 which is invested, 318 minus 100, so 218% returns in 5 years. This is what this mutual fund gives. Now let's just check with the NAV, is this the return which it gave in the last 5 years. So now we are back to the website, and we took the numbers from here. Now we'll just go to the overview part and check whether the NAV has increased threefold or not in the last 5 years. So I'll just select 5 years. So this is the chart for 5 years, and I need 2011. Yeah. So starting from 2011, just see here the HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund, the INR, this is growth of 10,000. So we'll check the value of 10,000 in 2011 and then in 2016. So in 2011 it is 8239, and at the end of 2016 it is around 26, 27, or if you go here it is 28. So on an average, if roughly I take approximately it is 27,000. So we'll go back to Excel and we'll check the returns how much it is. So as we saw, the initial amount was initially 8,000 and the returns were 27,000 approximately. So this comes to around 3.37. so this is close, and this is how you can figure out which mutual fund to select. This is giving you more than 218%, and if someone tells you about a 50-year return of 30%, this doesn't make any change, because if in the earlier years, suppose if I put 30% here, and if in the earlier years it was a very low return giving stock, so it will be a mutual fund. So this changes a lot and you get a very low returns. So please check the previous year returns as well, and the futuristic view of the mutual fund before investing into any mutual funds, and buy a mutual fund. You can also go to moneycontrol.com or morningstar.com and you can find out a list of mutual funds where you can invest. You can try this formula to figure out the returns and invest accordingly and invest safe. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching Selfish Money.